Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid in WordPress. The most effective way to create grid layouts in WordPress is by leveraging the built-in block editor, often referred to as Gutenberg. This powerful tool allows you to arrange your content into structured columns and rows directly within your posts and pages. We'll focus on using the columns block, which is fundamental for achieving responsive and visually appealing grid designs without needing complex code or external plugins. To implement a basic grid, first add a columns block from the block inserter. You can choose from several predefined patterns, such as a 2-column, 3-column, or even a 4-column layout, depending on your content needs. Once inserted, you can easily adjust the width of each individual column using the settings panel in the sidebar, giving you precise control over your design's proportions. For more advanced grid designs, consider nesting columns blocks within existing ones. This allows for intricate sublayouts, like having 2 columns inside one of your main 3 columns. Additionally, utilize the group block to apply consistent styling, such as a background color or specific padding, to entire sections of your grid. Don't forget to explore your theme's block patterns, which often provide pre-designed, complex grid structures ready for use. When creating grid layouts, always prioritize responsiveness. Ensure your designs adapt seamlessly across all device sizes, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones. Maintain a clear visual hierarchy by using consistent spacing and alignment throughout your grid. Finally, thoroughly test your grid designs on various screen resolutions to guarantee an optimal and user-friendly experience for every visitor to your WordPress site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.